everyone, it's Bree. I'm going to give you a tour of the Moodle learning platform that the Intermediate Structured Literacy course is on. So once you have registered for the course, you'll be given login instructions, and then you accept a bunch of terms and conditions, and you finally click on the course that you registered for. Once you are inside the course, then this is really easy to navigate. So each one of the sections are each one of the modules are going to be in its own section. And you can see that it's really systematic. So I'm going to go through kind of each one of the module systems. So getting started, it will walk you through exactly what to do, what to print, how to get ready for the class. Then you can click inside the office hours for the proven growth coaching. So on the first and third Tuesday of every month, we meet on Zoom, and you can get your questions answered. You can connect with other intermediate teachers, brainstorm solutions. It's basically just a coaching call that you get to navigate. So then we're going to jump into the modules. So for each module, you will have a module presentation. This is me presenting the PowerPoint that is given for the live class. So it is the exact same content, and each one of these presentations is pre-recorded with me standing in front of the screen, and you'll get to see my face and get to hear my voice and learn along with me. Then each module has a discussion forum. This is optional, but you can connect with other people and answer questions and hear other people's thoughts. Then we have the student quadrant model reflection. If you're taking the course for credit, you need to submit these. If you are not taking the course for credit, then these can just be for your own learning, or you are still welcome to submit and hear my thoughts. Each one of the modules has a checklist, so you can keep track of your progression and exactly where you are in the class. And then each one of the modules also has a resource vault. So these resource vaults are all of the resources that you can print and save. You have unlimited access to those once you have downloaded them, but they are all just resources that we think will be helpful for you to navigate and learn and implement that module content. So here is a Science of Reading parent guide, a structured literacy infographic, and as we go through and the content becomes deeper, then you will have more and more resources in that vault. We also have just a few links of additional learning, things that we think will help you further your understanding of that content. So let's go back out and take a look at a few other modules. So that is the introduction module of the Science of Reading 101. Then you have the exact same system for dyslexia. You're going to watch the presentation. You can chat with other teachers. You can reflect in your journal and submit that for credit. You have a checklist. You have a resource vault. So, and then some additional links that we think you will find useful. All right, let's go back out and take a look at the 5 components of literacy. So then we break down the 5 components of literacy through the lens of intermediate and secondary teachers. So you have the presentation, the discussion, the reflection, the checklist, the vault, and some additional links. Phonics is a lot, and we really wanted to break that down for you into bite-sized chunks. So phonics actually has 4 presentations, and then it has resource vaults broken down for phonics and morphology. So I'll click in the phonics vault just so you can see the amount of resources that you get by taking this course. And I'll click into the morphology vault so you can kind of get a sense of what resources are available for morphology. Again, then we have additional resources for you, things that we think will be helpful for your furthered learning. Okay, so let's go back out to the course. In yours, because you are the student, your checklist will actually be over the right-hand side, and you can keep track of your learning that way. I think I can switch roles and maybe show you that. Nope, it still doesn't have my checklist over there. So I'm not sure if that will be your case or not. Here is the module for fluency. Again, notice that it is just going step by step in a very systematic way. Each one of these modules is set up the same exact way. Let's peek into what is in the vocabulary vault. So you have context clues, lessons, you have a school-wide character trait vocab, shades of meaning, graphic organizers, templates, all kinds of things. And I will continue to add to these vaults as I build more and more resources. All right, and let's take a look at the final few modules. So comprehension is the last of the 5 components of literacy. We have the exact same system for you. And then we dive into data-driven instruction and intervention. So in this module, you will learn how to give assessments and know exactly what your students know and don't know, and how to build a remediation or intervention plan. We have then a module 9 about motivation and the defeated student. We have some really powerful learning there. And then we have all of the assessments in one place. So I hope you got a sense of how easy this course is to navigate and how valuable and packed it is for all of your learning.